laughing at, huh? You don't like my bike? Hater. Eat dust! Come on now, boo. Don't get caught by this light. Oh, well, look at there. Just out of nowhere, an OG Grom. And Trenton, aka Bowser. Look. Brake check, brake check, brake check, brake check. Get over. Yes, sir. Come on now, I'm wide open. I'm wide open. Dude, you'd have been pulling away like nobody's business on me. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, ever since I got my bike, I've been seeing nothing but bikes out. Like, I never noticed how many bikes they had around here. Not talking about Groms. There's not that many Groms around here. It's just pretty much the crew I ride with. That's pretty much all there is as far as Grom bikes go. Groms and 2 Z125s. That'd be Zach and Matt. The rest of us all have Groms. There's at least 10 of us with mini bikes. I think it's about 10. They're slowly adding more and more though. Slowly talking people into it. Yo, Trenton, what's good, bro? Tell me about this thing, dude. Well, tell everybody else about it. I pretty much know about it.
Well, it's a Takigawa 181 kit. Lightweight oil spinner, Takigawa, ported stock head, ported stock throttle body. I don't know if the intake manifold is ported. I have one of those eBay special shocks on the back, you know.
What?
Give those hefty boys some love, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then got that Hindle exhaust on there. I didn't really think that the Hindles were gonna make that much of a difference, but me being my size, I gained about 3 mile an hour top end on it, just changing the exhaust.
Not bad.
Stock sprockets, all back to stock. I mean, with me, I'm about a little over 300 pounds. I can get it to 86, or no, whoa.
86?
No, yeah.
Yeah, 86.
I can get it, got my numbers backwards. I can get it to 68.
68.
Which ain't bad for a big dude on a Grom.
Hey, I mean, that's some numbers.
Yeah.
That's some numbers.
Ain't bad at all,
they want to know what they can do on it.
Yeah.
That's an OG bike.
Exactly, man. So I mean, it ain't bad. The 4-inch stretch, 2.5-inch drop length. I don't think I'm missing anything, but hoping to go a little bigger with the head and everything. So we'll just see how.
You put this on there?
Yeah. Well, no, the guy that had it before me put that on there, and it literally works half the time.
Half the time.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm thinking about changing it out for a temp gauge. It don't really. It's right now it ain't running nothing right.
Nice. Nice.
And I got the monster out front.
Ooh, that monster eye.
Yeah, didn't know how it was gonna look, didn't know how it was gonna turn out, but I mean, ain't too bad. It does the job. A lot brighter than stock. Highly recommended.
You said you got it on Amazon?
You can actually buy the light itself off of Amazon, but then that would just leave you with having to get the brackets. But yeah, I mean, you can buy the whole kit for what is it? Around $300, I'd say, mid 200s. Ain't too bad. It really gives the OGs a clean look.
Yeah, it does. It looks good on the OGs. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, really clean look. Hoping to color match some of this in the future, make it look a little better. You know, y'all like all the stunting. I just like the fresh look.
Right, right, right. Is this the original seat that comes with them?
No, actually, the guy that had it before me actually got this seat, sent it to somebody in New Orleans, and had it reupholstered and had it double stuffed like an Oreo.
Ooh, boy, like an Oreo.
Yeah,
it is freaking soft.
Another thing that'll help the big boys out.
What? Dude, this is soft.
Yeah, man. It's nice. It's real nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Ain't too bad. Come out a lot better than I expected it to.
Got the Pro Taper bars on it.
Yeah.
That's a must.
Oh my God, absolutely, dude.
You got the same levers as me.
Yeah.
I ride it, yeah. The black ones, I traded James for the black ones. I gave him my blue ones because he wanted the blue ones so bad. But now I'm like, man, I should have kept my blue ones.
Yeah, dude. Like I love the subtlety of the red because it kind of goes with
the stitching.
The seat.
Yeah,
So
dude. Just imagine if your forks were painted red.
That's what I'm saying. That like.
Ooh, dude, the red and black.
That like clean.
Dang.
Like that.
They did make a red shock too.
I know. I saw that.
Billy's got it.
And I thought that this thing was gonna match the forks, so I just ordered it, and it did not.
Man, you know what I'm thinking about doing to mine? See how you could take this plastic out on the inside?
Yeah.
That'd be sick if that was painted.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, especially with the airbox and everything down here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of plastic to be looked at up under there.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Yes, indeed. As of my bike, all I really have done, I don't have anything like to make it go faster. The only thing I have like mod wise as far as the engine would only be the sprocket, right. The 14.2 sprocket, which I think is supposed to give you like more torque in the bottom end,
right,
to get you to like 50 or 60 faster.
Yeah.
My bike, like without wind, without downhill, anything like that, with the exhaust, I think I can. My bike, I've seen my bike at 69, 70, bouncing back and forth.
That's still pretty damn good.
And that's you gotta probably take about 5 miles off because of the sprocket, maybe. I don't.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't know. I'm sure it's somewhere around there. So I'd say like my top speed would be like 65, maybe like 62, being more exact.
Right, and see, like James, whenever this bike had, I think, 12 to 14 psi in the tires, loose ass chain. He actually got this bike just cruising, never tried to top it out, got it to 72.
72, huh?
And that was with a speedo corrector. It had really high gears. Like his little light ass couldn't even hit rev limiter on it because the gears were so high. So I know if he took it now, it'd probably do 75, 76. You know, with a normal size. Well, he's a little bit smaller than normal size. But
dang, James, he throwing shade at you, bro. You small. Bro, you small, James. Get your weight up.
Shoot, but that helps you on these, so I mean,
yeah.
You can't complain.
Yeah, you're right.
The fastest bike in the group for a reason.
Dude, there's a lot of big dudes that ride grinds though.
Yeah, there
like
are.
There's a lot of big dudes even ride wheelies on these things.
Yeah.
Like, it's crazy.
But shoot. Yeah, man, I'd say any normal size, you know, 180 pound dude, 200 pound dude, they gonna get this bike to 70 easy.
Yeah, I weigh about 180, 185.
Yeah, highly recommend.
185 before I take a deuce, 180 after.
But yeah, dude, highly recommend a big board to anybody who's looking at it.
Yes,
I mean,
indeed.
It pretty much turns it into a different bike altogether, man.
Sweet. Well, shoot, let's try and get some. Try and think of what we can do as far as like the intro goes. So, trying to think. I guess we'll go ahead and get that one I was talking about where you just kind of walk around. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna video with my phone.
Alright.
because I can put it in 4K
Right.
through the phone. That way it gets like, you know, pretty much everything I wear normally in the shot.
I see what you're saying.
After I edit it. Right here. Alright, we made it to the sign design where I should go get the decal, hopefully. And in a few seconds, maybe right here, it'll say riding with Lee. Who knows? We're gonna see. Yes, indeed, boy. Looking fresh on there. Look good, because you're riding with Lee. Yes, sir. I like it. I like it. Alright, bro. Be careful. Be safe. You getting online later?
I probably will after I get out of school.
Alright, cool, cool. Alright. We're gonna go ahead and end the video here because I'm running out of battery anyway, so. It was nice taking y'all along with me for the ride this time. Like always, hit the like button if you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, so you get updated when I get the next video posted. And I'll see y'all back at it later.